Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in money management. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to send an ACH payment from your Capital One account in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. ACH payments, or automated clearinghouse transfers, are a secure and efficient way to move money electronically without the hassle of checks or wires. They're perfect for paying bills, sending money to family, or even business transactions, and with Capital One's updated 2025 features, it's faster and more user-friendly than ever. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Capital One account. You can do this through the mobile app or the website. In 2025, Capital One has enhanced its interface with biometric login options like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning for added security. Super cool, right? Once you're in, head over to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Next, select ACH payment as your transfer type. You'll see a list of options, so choose ACH to proceed. Now, enter the recipient's details carefully. This includes their bank's routing number, account number, and the exact amount you want to send. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Trust me, it's a game changer for smooth transactions. If you're scheduling a future payment, Capital One's 2025 updates let you set it up with calendar integration, so you won't forget. Before you hit confirm, review the details one more time. Capital One will prompt you for a verification code sent to your phone or email, thanks to their advanced two-factor authentication. Once verified, your ACH payment is on its way. It typically processes within 1 to 3 business days, but keep an eye on your account for confirmation. A few quick tips. Always ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transfer to avoid fees, and remember that ACH payments are generally free with Capital One. If you run into any issues, their 24/7 chat support is top-notch in 2025. There you have it. Sending ACH payments from Capital One is straightforward and secure. Give this video a like if it helped, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.